Hello guys, today we make torta al pangrattato e amaretti, that if you translate in English is a homemade cake made with crumbled bread and amaretti biscuits. It's a very good recipe to recycle the old bread. For this recipe we want to thank Carmen and Ilenia, but also to them I want to say sorry, because I will modify a little bit the recipe, because I will add my homemade peach jam and also my Nespolino liquor, homemade. You can use also amaretto liquor, up to you. You can find both the recipe here on the channel. If you cannot find the amaretto biscuits, the amaretti, you can try to substitute them with other biscuits. The important they are dry biscuits. Now we need to smash them. We need 200 grams of amaretto biscuits. When all the biscuits are smashed, we can add 200 grams of breadcrumbs, 150 grams of sugar, 200 grams of chocolate chips, 16 grams of yeast with the vanilla inside. Mix all the dry ingredients. We can add the eggs, 3 eggs. If you want to make more rich your cake, you can use 200 ml of cream, heavy cream, for cooking, for whipping, up to you, the cream that you can find. If you have not done the Nespolino, you can use rum or you can use amaretto liquor. When all the ingredients are well mixed, we take a baking pot. This is a glass baking pot. We oil with the butter. We dust with the crumbled bread. After we put half of the dough, the peach jam, and the remaining half of the dough. With a little bit of water, you can wet your fingers and everything will be easier. After you add the jam, my one is homemade, you can use the jam that you like. Remember, peach jam is the best for this cake. And we cover, like I mentioned before. And now we can bake our cake in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree, and we will bake it for 40-45 minutes. After 45 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, with the oven static option, so without the fan, and putting the cake in the middle of the oven, our cake is baked. Now it's very hot, so we should wait and reach the room temperature, and after we can test it. See you later. Really spectacular. It's already spectacular without the peach jam, or with the peach jam, even better. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some recipe to share with me, always down in the comments. Bye bye. Was still a little bit warm. If you wait until it's cold, it's better, because cutting when it's warm, I destroy a little bit it. Sorry.